All right, I want to welcome you to this Legal Shield presentation. This is Corey Williams. I'm an executive director with Legal Shield. I've been with this company for almost actually about 2 decades. It's been a while. It's been a long time coming. I'm what they call a $50,000 ring earner with the company. So every time you reach a certain level with the company, income-wise, within a 12-month time period, they give you a ring. So I'm a $50,000 ring earner. I do this part-time. My background, I still work a full-time job for a motor company. I have a daughter. I host a podcast, Convo with Sino. You can check that out. And so, of course, here as a member of Rich Off Information, the mastermind group, the mentorship. So I'm going to just get right into how Legal Shield can benefit you personally and in your business. And you can offer this to your clients as well. So we're going to get right into it. I'm not going to hold y'all too long today. All right. So I'm going to run through this real quick. The world is forever changing. People now need more income, more time, more flexibility, and more independence. So a good business plan must have these three things in common. The opportunity has to be, backed up by a great company and a great service or product. We have to have a system in place. Systems means to save yourself time, energy, and money. SYSTEM, right? And then, of course, a community. That's what we're involved in now with the Rich Off Information mentorship. So when you think about generating income, there's four forms of income. You have linear, trading time for money. That's what I do at my job, right? Leverage income, where you work with a team. That's what I do here with Legal Shield. And of course, residual income, we have that as well. So I've been able to participate in all three forms of making money, right? And so can you. And so that's why we're here. So 5 areas I'm going to talk about: the company, the need, the product, the compensation, and the timing. So this is our founder. This is the guy who started the company, Harlan Stonecipher. He's passed away now, but the company started, out of an accident where he got into an accident. He had all the other insurances, but he ended up getting sued. So he didn't have legal insurance. And so that's his actual car. That's when they actually made automobiles. They make cars now, right? And so this is our home office here but they're in Ada, Oklahoma. So the company's been around for a long time, since 1972. We protect 4.4 million people in the U.S. and Canada. Our vision is to provide equal access to the liberty, equality, opportunity, and justice that every human deserves. And so that's the actual home office there in Oklahoma. And so what this does, so disruptive innovation. What is disruptive innovation? Those are your Ubers and your Amazons and your Netflix and things like that, and now legal services. So we are the disruptive innovator when it comes to having access to legal services. So think about this, because a lot of people say, well, I'm such and such years old, I've never had to use an attorney. It's not that you've had to use an attorney, but because we know that attorneys cost money. It costs $200 to $300 an hour. So you check your pocketbook or your wallet before you check your rights. And so, but think about it. Have you ever thought about writing a will? Have you ever been notified that your personal information was compromised? Ever been treated unfairly? Ever been a victim of identity breach, of identity theft? Signed a contract that you didn't understand? What about a traffic ticket? An insurance claim been denied? What about, questions about your credit score, things of that nature. So just a few things that you could have, where the use of an attorney probably could have made the outcome a lot better. And so we have the mobile app. So you can download the app, tap the app, and get unlimited access to a top-rated law firm in your area, right? And so the first thing that we do, so our service is $29.95 a month. And I'm going to tell you who that covers once I go through this, what we do for you, the benefits. But the first thing you get is preventive legal services. So you get personal legal advice on an unlimited number of issues. So whether you and that's the first thing you want to do with any legal situation is get some advice, get that consultation, right? And so once you're talking with our attorneys, they'll actually review your contracts and documents, right? And they'll actually write letters and make phone calls on your behalf. A letter from an attorney holds a lot more weight than one coming from yourself, right? And now you can be just like wealthy people. You don't have to sign anything without your attorney reviewing it first, right? And so it just makes sense. So that's a few things that we do. Life events, right? So we do will preparation and update it for you every year, right? So we do your will, your living will, a healthcare power of attorney, and a financial power of attorney. This was very useful with me personally. I have my will, but even with my dad, the passing of my dad, I was able to still take care of his affairs because I had that paperwork in place covered under my membership through Legal Shield. Traffic issues. I don't worry about speeding. My car has an S on there, and when I hit that S stands for super speed or something. But I mean, I feel like I take off, right? But I'm not worried about, traffic violations anywhere in the country, because if I get a traffic ticket, I can just send it over to my law firm. They'll actually go to court for me to help keep the points off my license to keep my insurance from going up, right? Civil trial defense for cover situations, and you get pre-trial time too. So if you're ever named in a civil lawsuit, you have a schedule of hours. As soon as you become a member, you'll be covered with that trial defense coverage. Tax audit assistance. This is key. I mean, we're all business owners, and so you want to have that protection. So if you're ever named in the audit, you get 50 hours of tax attorney time if you're ever named in the audit, right? 25% preferred member discount. So this is anything else that's not covered: bankruptcies, criminal charges, DUIs, things of that nature, things that you're going to need an attorney for anyway. But now you have the best of the best for a 25% discount, all because you're a member of Legal Shield. 24/7 access if you're ever in an emergency situation. So if you ever stop, question, detained by law enforcement, you can have, when you have that phone, that app on your phone, you can actually hit a button and get emergency access to the law firm 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I don't care, 4th of July, Christmas, New Year's, you're going to have 24 access for emergency situations. So if you ever stop, question, detained, arrested by law enforcement, you can have access to your attorney, because Miranda gives you the right to remain silent, the right to call your attorney, and we give you that right, access to that right. Family domestic services, if for uncontested divorces, adoption, separation, or name change. This kicks in 90 days after you become a member. So if you don't like the person you're with, sign up today, wait 89 more days, and you can get uncontested divorce. All covered with your membership. That's just a joke. Try to stay, try to work it out. Love conquers all, right? And so here we go. So who's covered with our membership? You, the member, the spouse or significant other or domestic partner, never married, dependent children under the age of 26 living at home, or full-time college students, dependent children under the age of 18 if you're the legal guardian, and any physically or mentally challenged child living in your home for life. So the second service we have is ID Shield. ID Shield gives you credit monitoring and alerts when it matters. And so we give you access to your credit score. We give you access to 1 bureau to 3 bureaus, your social security number. We're going to monitor everything that goes on in your life. So it's just not about credit. This is about everything. So passport, driver's license, public and court records, emails, phone numbers, medical IDs, username monitoring, internet, dark web, social media monitoring. All of this stuff, guys, we're going to monitor as a member of ID Shield. Identity consultation. So if your identity is compromised, if you have some emergency things that's going on, say you're out of town and maybe you take a trip to Greece and some things happen, or your identity is compromised, you can't use your card, you can actually call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to get live support, when you need it. And then we actually give you full restoration, okay? And so this is key, because we don't just tell you there's an alert or somebody stole your information. We actually go in and restore it. So imagine, your house catching on fire and your insurance not paying for it. No, do you want your insurance to pay for it and restore it and put you up while they're redoing your beautiful new home, right? And so we do whatever it takes, as long as it takes. and work with you to actually restore your identity. And we give you a $3 million identity fraud protection plan that comes with that. So, and now I'm telling you guys, cybersecurity is really key. And so we do the Trend Micro Maximum Security, VPN Proxy One, the Password Manager, Privacy Management, and Credit Consultation. So this is for an individual, it's $19.95 per month, or for a family, you can get it for $34.95 a month, guys. And so who's covered? The individual, just you, of course, your family, and any members of your spouse, and any children you have up to 18, dependent, and any dependent children 18 to 26, they can at least get consultation if something goes wrong. And so we also have member perks. So we partner with over 500 vendors to give you discounts on things that you're already using anyway. So this is just a way of saying thank you for being a member of Legal Shield. Now we're going to get right into the money. And so this is for my go-getters, right? The business owners. So I want you to put your consumer hat, take your consumer hat off and put your business hat on, because I was just on a call with a millionaire and they said that, you know, look at your customers as entrepreneurs right now. We shouldn't be leaving any money on the table. And I know that most of us have clients that could use the services we just talked about. So imagine when someone enrolls with that service that you don't do the work, you don't do anything, you just actually share with them, send them your link, they sign up. You can get paid anywhere from $70 to $370 per new member, right? And so that's when you enroll a member. Leverage income is when you can build a team. So now you can have just, you know, a team, just like a real estate broker has agents. You can have a bunch of agents or associates on your team. And now when they make money, you make money. When they make a little, when they make a lot, you make a little bit, but those little bits add up, right? And then the residual income. So imagine doing something one time and getting paid over and over and over and over again for the life of that membership. So that's what we do here at Legal Shield. So, and you can earn up some serious bonuses in your first 45 days. And so I'm gonna go over the comp plan, and this is how I've been able to make a serious leverage residual $50,000 a year inside income, and it's growing because fortunately I have a group of sharp people on my team, and they still write memberships. I still write memberships. So again, I still refer this service to my clients, okay, to my existing clients, friends, and family. And so again, like it says here, from personal income, everybody starts at the associate level. So when someone signs up, and this is based on the combined plan. So if a person just gets the membership, the legal plan, you can just cut that in half. Okay, cut those commissions in half. So instead of 70, it'll be like 35. But again, it's all passive and leverage income. And so those levels build up. So from 70, the next position is $90 per membership per customer that signs up. And so you see what happens at the senior associate level. You see that $20 over there where it says team overrides. This is what I love. The team overrides is where if someone else wants to offer this service, guess what? When they make 70, you make 20, right? And see a manager, 120 every time someone signs up for that membership. When they get the legal plan and the ID Shield family plan, that's a $120 commission. But again, that other side where it says that 30, so now you're going to get 30 plus the 20 if you have a brand new associate when they make 70. So they make 70, you make $50 every time they share the membership, every time someone signs up for that membership. So it goes up to executive director. That's where I'm at. I'm blessed to have several executives on my team, several people that earn and some people on my team earn more money than me. And so, and that's a great thing, because again, this is not where the person at the top makes all the money. No, if you come in and run, you can run right past me, right? And so again, and you see on the side where it says bonus in your first 20 days, you can make up to $200 bonus just when you share a few customers. I think it's 5 members. 5 people join, you get a $200 bonus within your first 20 days. And you do that again at the manager level within your first 45 days, they'll give you a $500 bonus. So you can make up to $700, up to $900 bonus money just by, signing up, 5 to 15 people tops plus your commission. So you've made a lot of money just by offering this services as an added benefit. So again, you're talking to a client, and they may need a will done. They stressed out about traffic tickets. They whatever the case may be, need to just talk to an attorney. And you say, hey, you know what? I have a program for you that you may or may not be interested in. Would you mind taking a look at it? You send them a video. They sign up on your website. You didn't do anything. They direct deposit that money right into your bank account the next day. And so that's how this thing works. I've been blessed to go on many trips with this company. They send you on all expense paid trips. I've been to Jamaica, Riviera Maya, all over with them, just for protecting a few people a month. So this is an extra bonus incentive if you want to really take off with this thing. And of course, Performance Club, you actually make an additional money just by helping, a few families a month. So you can make, from an extra $500 a month to thousands, just in incentives, just by helping people, sign up for the services. This is all based on the service. So the wheel of opportunity, we have several things you can offer. So the legal plan, which is Legal Shield. We actually have small businesses. I just actually signed up a small business for this. And that's actually, we all should have this plan for ourselves, for our business. And so we have what we call the home-based business rider. So it's an employee benefit. So we have people that go out to companies, offer this as an employee benefit. And we have commercial drivers legal plans. So if you ever, know someone that drives a truck, a semi or 18-wheeler, a commercial vehicle, we have plans for them. We have supplement plans for, small, very small business, home-based businesses. We have gun plans, things of that nature. And of course, we have ID Shield. So these are all the things that Legal Shield has to offer. And of course, 5 areas, I just talked about it: the company, the need, the product, the compensation, and the timing. And so how do you become an associate? It's only $49. So you can get started for $50, guys. $50 to start your own business, start part-time, work from home. It's a willable book of business. Guess what? My daughter is going to get this business, right? She can't get my job, but she can get the book of business that I'm building here with Legal Shield. Residual income for the lifetime of the membership, fast start training class. So we actually train you how to do the business. So you don't just have to listen to me. We have people that make a lot of money with this company, millions, with this company. And so ongoing weekly training, align yourself with personal mentors like we have here in Rich Off Information. So Legal Shield, guys, and you can have access to a CRM plan, a customer relations manager, which is only $24.95 a month. You get your first month free, so you can try it out. But this actually, keeps a track of all your potential customers, and helps you to really build your business. So this is kind of a business. It's almost like a virtual office. So just think about it like that. This is how you kind of maintain and build your business and really work your business from your phone. You can work this business from the palm of your hand, which I do frequently. All right. So it's easy to get started. Enroll as a member, become an associate. So enroll as a member, become an associate, fast start qualifying your first 20 days. Takes about, like you see here, it takes about 3 minutes to enroll. I can send you a link. You can go to my site. You can get in touch with me, Dwight, or anybody in the group to get a hold of me, Corey Williams. So thank you for spending a few moments with me today to talk about Legal Shield, the membership, the services, and the opportunity as well. All right. So, hey, this is your man, Corey Williams, signing off. Appreciate you. Take care.